Guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today we have here a competition for the Gboard and another keyboard being released in iOS called Briefkey. So Briefkey is almost the same thing as a Gboard, but a bit more fun than Gboard. So Gboard, you probably already know, is Google's keyboard for iOS right now, and so Briefkey, what they do is pretty much the same thing like Gboard, but there's some differences. So the first thing is pretty simple. Of course, you have the typical keyboard autocorrect as well, with suggestions as well when you start to type and everything, as well. But the real fun part, of course, if you know about keyboards on iOS or Android, it's what they could do inside the keyboard. So when you click the icon of Briefkey, you click it, you have a lot of options of what you could do with the keyboard, which is the keyboard. So as you can see, you could open your GIF, profile, calendar, location, camera, photos. You could search on Wikipedia. You could check in Foursquare. You can message, email the company Briefkey if you have anything. Say hello automatically, so like that. So as you can see, it shows it right there. How are you doing when you click the waving? So yeah, it's a really simple keyboard, but that can do a lot of powerful stuff inside the keyboard. One of my favorite things is to create a GIF of. You could create a GIF of Donald Trump, Hillary, Johnson, Bernie, and when you click, let's say I click Bernie, so like I could just say hello. Oops, doesn't want to work right now. So we'll click it like this. Done. It's now creating a GIF, and there we go. And if you want, I can save it, so I'm gonna save it. And there we go, it's saved to the album, so that I can use it for a later time or a different use for it. So like I said, there's some differences so from Gboard and everything else. So this one's a little bit more fun. There's themes that you could go to. So when you open the app, you could go on themes. There's some animation themes already on it. So there you go. So there's some animation themes right there. Let's go to cancel. There's more here. So there we go. And when you start typing, it starts to blow up a little bit, like the keyboard start to blow up. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, pretty simple. You could create your own theme if you want. So like I did, I changed the color, the font of the keyboard. I changed it too because I like this color right now. And so yeah, that's pretty much for themes. You could settings, so you could do autocorrect, tap sound, haptic feedback, single swipe, so it does do that swiping thing that every keyboard now does, like swift key swipe and all that stuff. It does, one of my favorite things of course is predictive emoji. So a lot of keyboards have been doing this, and this keyboard actually does a pretty good job of predicting emojis, so that you don't have to search the keyboard to search for an emoji that you want. Of course, you have the GIF creator, briefs, and of course contact the developers who created this app. So yeah, it's a pretty awesome app, Briefkey. I recommend you guys go download it right now. It's for free right now on the App Store only. So it's an iOS only app. I'm pretty sure it's only gonna be free for a little while, and then they're gonna start charging to buy the app. So I highly recommend you guys go download it right now, so you guys don't have to pay later for the app. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much Briefkey, and I will see you guys later. Peace.